Right where you are, let us have our benediction. Now unto him that is able to keep you from falling, and to present you faultless before the presence of his glory with exceeding joy. To the all-wise God, our Savior, be glory and majesty, dominion and power, both now and forever. Go in peace and be a blessing.